Okay, so let's pick a winner of the Flywheel LR4 Analog Edition giveaway. Let's have a look how many people entered. We have got over 2,000 entries. I think it has been a long time since I've seen this many people enter a competition that I've put on the channel. But this is a popular model, of course, and I'm really glad to see that we have got almost an equal number of likes. So thank you for that, because it will help me doing giveaways like this in the future. And look at this, the number of views, 5,600 views as well. Superb. Right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the video URL and we're going to put it into this random comment picker. I'm not going to filter duplicate users because I give my Patreoners more goes, so I need to get the YouTube comments first, which might take a while because there are a lot of them. Okay, that's done that. So let's pick a random winner. Good luck to everybody. There we go. We have got a winner. It is Adrian W. The comment says, good luck everyone. Thanks for all the great content, Andy. Adrian, you are very much welcome. So Adrian, if you want to put your email address in the comments below, and then I will grab that and email you the information and of course delete it. Everybody, congratulate Adrian W on winning the analog version of the long range Flywheel LR4, and thank you to everybody who participated. I'll see you in the next one.